Hey guys, another quick unboxing and review here. Today we will test and share my thoughts on this gaming microphone. Big thanks to Maono for sending me this. So right, let's do it. So here's the Maono's Gamer Wave, a condenser USB gaming microphone. Inside the box we have the manual, an accessory box, a fastener for boom arms, and a USB Type-C cable with an adapter for USB ports. And then finally, we have the microphone. Right, so let's plug it in and talk about the design, build, and features of this Maono Gamer Wave. By the way guys, this microphone is easy plug and play. Simply plug it directly into your system unit or laptop with USB or USB Type-C. So for the design, I really like it. It looks so nice, and especially if you are into white and minimalist setups, this one is for you. This microphone is also available in pink and black, and obviously we have the white variant to match my setup. The pop filter is already attached to the shock mount, and over here we have the Maono's logo on the pop filter. Here we have a 3.5mm headphone jack for real-time monitoring, and under we have the gain knob, which is nice. You can easily change the volume of your microphone. And they also put this thing under it, it's like a rubber mat for anti-slip. It's also nice that they put a space here so you can hide the cable so it won't move around and look messy. And also, because of this design, it made this microphone looks clean and wireless. The body is plastic except for this metallic mic mesh screen. Although it's plastic, it still feels sturdy. And here we have the RGB switch. They have a bunch of RGB modes. It can be a static solid color, dynamic multicolor gradient, and dynamic solid color gradient. Then next we have this button for mute and noise cancelling. To mute, you just need to tap this button once and then you'll see this light indicator will turn red. And then for the noise cancelling, you just need to press and hold the same button until the light indicator turns blue. So to limit the sound pickup from the side and back and eliminate background noise, this microphone has excellent off-axis sound suppression capabilities because of high sensitivity cardioid pickup. And this microphone also has ENC noise cancellation, which we will put on a test now. So here's the audio quality of this microphone with the noise cancellation off. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Audio test 1, 2, 3. And here's the audio quality of this microphone with the noise cancellation feature. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Audio test 1, 2, 3. As of the making of this video, you can buy this microphone from Lazada for only 1,899 pesos or $34 if you buy it from Amazon. Both links will be in the description below. So what are my thoughts on this microphone? Considering the price, the audio quality, the features, and the design, it's not bad for its price. It doesn't look cheap at all. The audio quality is good compared to my previous headset's microphone. So if you still use the headset's microphone and want to upgrade, you should consider this Maono's Gamer Wave. It still sounds good even without any audio software installed. It's easy to use, it's just a plug and play USB microphone. So that's it for now. The links are in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you guys soon.